What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I almost got ran over by this car behind me, but right now we are painting Gus's rear bumper. Yeah, he has a rear bumper that Dallas had in the backyard this whole time, but we're painting it white. It was blue, and he's gonna lower the rear because it's raking like a lot. But welcome back to the channel, guys. Glad to be back. It's only been a couple days. Haven't seen my last video with my wagon with the new wheels. She is right here, fucking fresh. Oh man, reps never look so good. But these are 17 by 9.5 plus 15, and they're MB battles, but they're looking great. I'm getting the spanner wrenches for this fool right now because he forgot his. And you know, I always got a couple on me. Even though Dallas probably has some. I don't know why he's asking me. Fuck you. Oh, it's all greasy. Fuck. Dallas is matching the front with the rear since the rear is super high.
In the rear. We're gonna try to even her out.
Try. Quote, try.
I wish he'd drive.
But yeah, hopefully he could drive. You just gonna run stocks? Or you gonna...
Now I'm gonna go tell Puff to fix that wheel.
Your cracked wheels? How many are cracked? Just one?
Dude, you need to go down like 1.5 inches.
Jeez!
I believe it. I told you I couldn't drop the rear. I was struggling.
Why were you struggling?
I'm weak, I guess. Hoffman said he was like, and did that shit like it was nothing.
Up here too, in the fender well, not much longer.
Oh, because he doesn't have that much camber in the rear.
No, because of the tires.
Oh, and yeah, the tires are huge. You're gonna have to put the other wheels on.
Take it off and see how far. Like if it's already.
Why don't you just put those two wheels that you have on in the rear and just have stocks in the front for now?
Then you can see how bad the jump is.
Then get alignment.
I can't spend $60 on that.
Do the ghetto alignment you did for me.
Yeah, we can do it.
That was all off?
Yeah, it was off by like 1 point something.
That's not even bad.
That's horrible.
But it was off by like 5 something.
Dude, nah.
Is that going L for left?
Yeah, bitch. L for left. This is the shit you recorded just now?
Yeah, I am.
What if I get it off?
That wasn't even the one, bitch.
Who? Yeah, who's tying those? Oh my god.
I'll remember.
It was obviously. Don't forget to torque your guys'
it was,
wheels to the right.
Oh, I did it with that. I did it with my
tight,
hand.
It's gonna be a bitch.
I did it with my hand.
You're pretty strong.
Something like that.
The motion of the ocean. Ooh. Before the sun goes down, this used to have been blue, and this is just literally just spray paint. Dallas painted it pretty good for spray paint. You know, it used to have been blue, but it's pretty clean. And Gus will finally have a fucking rear bumper. Dude, I can low-key see my reflection. And it was a $7 job. Great. Because it kept fucking... Dude, it's like bent. Look, put it up to the light.
It is.
Hey, you gotta go to Ace before they close.
What time is it?
So we were gonna lower his car, but
What time is it?
ran into this. It crossed the
said you
right to
couldn't
shit.
break this loose?
And it's like,
Nah, I broke it loose. I couldn't get it to spin.
fuck. Look at that.
It's hot, huh? Yeah.
We're gonna go get a new bolt.
I didn't want to cram.
While we
Flex wanted to go.
lower this bitch.
I'm pretty sure I trust Brenda to do this.
There you go.
No, it crossed. I guess it was.
So you gotta take out the
Yeah, it was already
loosen the
crossed.
locking nut,
Gave the bolt and the nut.
and then
Yes, please.
that's when you start
I don't think
lowering
we need
it.
a washer because the washer should be.
Just lowering it right now. It's like a very tight fit though from up there. The tower is like touching everything. So it kind of sucks for that LS. The tower right there, like the whole circle part. Here, let me get it at it. So we low-key basically gave up because the spanner wrench is way too big and does not fit. Like right here. Comes out to here. So rip to that.
Higher.
Get it, bro.
Just say lift it, take the coil out, lower it. Come on, Josh.
I already tried. Yeah, the bumper actually looks really good. Too bad you're two-tone and we painted it all white. But you can always paint the get it. It's almost there. You only got 1 inch to go. Inch. Too bad we painted your bumper all white and your car's two-tone. But we can always take off the lip and paint it. Is that silver or gray?
Hey, Brandon, what?
Yeah, it's silver grayish.
Have you threaded in there?
Oh man, he's getting it.
Hey, did you have the collar where it's supposed to be?
Yeah. Why? Is it still far away?
Well, I did it to see if your tire would even fit at that height. First off, because I didn't even know.
He just walks away. Start banging shit. Don't start banging random shit.
I'm making room.
You should be lowering it first. What if it already fits with the
I'm
fitment?
just making this little...
What?
He said I'm making room.
Hey, does that look like it went far, Hoffman? What? Come here. You're the one that put the collar.
Sketch.
The bolt.
$7.
Where is it?
$7.
Was it like a
Bolt
grade?
nut. Yeah, it was.
Hours later, Gus gets it. Are you just gonna tighten it now? Little lower? Alright.
Are you just gonna put the wheel on real quick?
Now he's gonna lower it a little bit more.
Just a tad bit.
I think that's good.
Right there.
Hope this thing is kinda even. You think it's gonna be even, Gus? I doubt it. Just kidding. I don't want to be negative Nancy over here. Guys, lower that shit. Bruh. Bruh, it looks the same. He's gonna take off the wood.
Sorry. That's me.
You thinking that you're that low, fool?
No.
Not yet.
Sooner or later. Give me some time.
Take that wood off. Maybe it'll make a difference, but I highly doubt it.
It's the same to me.
Put your hand under there.
So it's kind of almost even, but he's gonna lower it a half more inch.
Maybe a little bit more than half.
Says no one ever.
Just do another inch then.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Wait. Pit stop. Come here. I need you to move this wheel, please.
Pit stop! Pit stop! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go!
But Gus claims to say he is maxed
Maxed?
out. But
pretty sure.
I don't know how you are maxed out. But we're gonna test it with this is the 18 rep. He has 19s back at home, but we're gonna try it out right now. And if you're not dumped, then something's wrong with the coils. Or you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit, you're gonna rub. Well, you're not gonna drive it.
Give me one, bro.
Here, there's a bone.
You better be tugging this shit hard. You better tug this shit hard. We'll see right now.
I hope these are.
For this car, you just
What, the lugs?
Yeah, well, they're going on good, so
Yeah.
I would
They
expect
should,
so.
yeah, they should be fine. I don't know if that's max.
No, I don't think that's max.
That's not maxed, bro.
That's not max.
But how come? I'm so confused.
It's even though.
Where's the tape?
Nah, that's
That's what I'm saying.
Still raking, huh?
Of course.
barely though, not like it was before.
Watch out. Get out of the way.
Not like before, but
He's got stiff ass spring rates. That looked pretty hard if you had all four. Do you have all four? No? No.
I got
Of course. 2 and the other 2 19s.
Still raking.
Can't really tell.
just raise the front.
Yeah, the lower is way lower.
Wait. We gotta go together.
1,
2, 3.
The shit is stiff as fuck. What are the spring rates on here?
40,000.
This fool, what is it?
42.
No, it's like
42K, 38K.
no, it's 32 is the max for BC. For
Hoffman has 36. They're switching.
he does not have 36. He has 28, 26. Dude, the max for Swift Springs is 32, right?
Yeah, Mark. No.
Yeah. It's 32.
No, 38. 38 and 34.
No, but what does he have?
My brother's 38 and 34. That's the max. 38 is the max.
Told you 38. I thought it was 38 and 42.
Damn.
Well, that's the max it comes from BC, like that they'll assemble.
Yeah.
Because they're like, that's too stiff.
I just need to get 100K.
Those are bricks. That's from 326. That's Florida, bro. This is Cali.
Let's get down, homie. Fuck.
Right? I'm at like 14, 12.
1810.
Oh, your other one?
You.
Me?
Nigga, none of my suspension was ever bad.
Like if
Mine was fucking horrible, bro.
22K.
The paint finally dried. And let's see how it matches with this white. Even though the bottom is like two-tone silver. It's gonna look better than blue. And with no bumper, you know?
push it from right here.
Brendan, push it from underneath.
There you go. Damn, it looks way better. It almost matches, bro. It's like a brand new bumper. It's kind of off. This one's a little bit more white, off-white.
Yeah.
It's like creamy, but it's
a lot better.
it looks so much better though, dude. Great.
Jeez.
Now let's just get some wheels, bro. Maybe new taillights.
It's a little bit off, but not bad.
Yeah.
Better than blue and then having nothing.
Yeah. Yeah, the bottom one's a little bit more brighter, but better than nothing. Now time to just fit it up.
You would have to just get a silver and
Usually there's like two little prongs that go in here. And then, I'll show you. And it has the nuts. Oh my god.
don't pee as hard, Josh.
And then the two nuts should be, here I'll show you Dallas the side. Right there. We're only putting one nut on. It usually comes with two on each side. But yeah, that's how you put it on. And then
Spray paint artist.
And then you have to put a nut over there or a zip tie on each side. But yeah, the LS bumpers are so much easier to put on. Well, at least the rear bumper. There's like no clips. Damn, this shit, the fin mount for the bumper is way more better than ours.
I didn't do that one, Brendan.
Just shave all
It looks so much better.
fucking, yeah.
Except for that little corner. Haven't zip tied it up yet, but it's looking good. Way more cleaner, dude. Dude, it actually looks really good at night. Go, go. You're good right there. Yeah, wait, leave it on? Bro, it looks pretty even too.
Why'd you turn the headlights off? Oh, my
Oh, they're out though. Rip.
That's what I was trying to tell you. One of them's out.
Bro, dude, that shit looks clean. Salad Garage, fam. Salad Garage.
Oh, you're eating my fry?
What do you mean? Ryan has your other fry. Gang. That'll probably be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. And I'm still waiting on some parts to get for the wagon. And yeah, I'm still kind of waiting on that. And to buy at the right time, you know. But when that comes in, I'll actually make a video and show you guys what I got. But most likely getting a front bumper and some skirts and a rear lip. But I don't know yet. Like, I don't know what kind of style I want to run yet, but it will be soon. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And to you new subscribers out there, thank you for subscribing. And to the OGs, stay blessed, y'all. Peace.